Hi, I am Indra. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be showing you how to bake a Cajun turkey. So let's get started. Hi guys, let's go over some basic seasoning. Here I have 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of poultry seasoning, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of hot pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. So next I'm gonna go ahead and mix in all those ingredients into a big bowl. See you in the next step. Here I have a 10-pound turkey that I already washed with some lemon juice. So next I'm gonna go ahead and spread the dry rub inside and outside of the turkey. See in the next step. Next step guys, I'm gonna put the turkey in the refrigerator and let the turkey marinate for 8 hours. See in the next step. Guys, my oven is preheating on 325 degrees. So next I'm gonna go ahead and cover the turkey with a piece of foil paper and put the turkey into the oven and bake the turkey for about 3 hours. See in the next step. There you have it guys. The Cajun turkey came out absolutely amazing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.